Okay, so first of all, I'm going to remove this butt plate. It has all the original stuff inside it, and I think that definitely needs a clean up. It's a little bit rough. There's some little sharp edges and stuff on it, and we can start with that. As you can see, the butt plate's coming off. The brass has been pushed around the screw. So it's all coming off in one piece, as you can see there. It's alright. Okay, let me go. That screw's stuck in there. As you can see, it's in pretty filthy condition, so it definitely needs a clean up. The original cleaning kit is in there. It's there. And if I'm not mistaken, there's the original oil. Okay, so this is what we'll clean up. Yeah, well, this is part of what we'll clean up. I think some things like this just need a bit of a clean up and tidy up, make them a little bit better than they are. But this kit would be pretty cool to put back in there. Have it all looking alright. Okay, so this is an ultrasonic cleaner. I'm just going to clean some bits in here. So, vinegar. A pinch of salt. Bit of bicarb soda and give them a mix up. Top it up with hot water. And there's the stuff. Shut the lid. And off we go. Okay, so it's the butt plate's been sitting in this solution for 24 hours after running it through a couple of times. And there you can see all the green's gone, and it's a pretty filthy colour. Okay, so the idea of polishing is that you remove all the larger scratches with one medium. When all the larger scratches are gone and you have a consistent surface, you move to the next medium, which is finer of course, to remove the scratches that are left behind from the medium that you used before. And so on and so forth until you get down to a super bright shine. I don't think I'll take this one this far because I think it needs a bit of character still about it, and it just needed a real good clean up, which it now has. As you remember, it was quite filthy. Okay, so this is a very quick and easy way of putting a black protective coating on screws and stuff like that. By just using heat, and I use engine oil. The idea is that these have been thoroughly cleaned. As you can see there, it's quite shiny, and after one heat and dip. You can see that's quite black, and I like to do these a couple of times and gives it a better coating, I reckon. And this protects it quite well from rust. I do a lot of the tooling that I make for the workshop and treat it this way so it doesn't rust up. So make sure they're clean, degreased, and then we just use propane for it. I like to heat it up past the blue stage. As you can see, it goes blue, nice and hot. All the under this blue there. What I look for is there's a certain colour flame in there, as you can see, you know it's getting hot then. There's that nice orange. Come off everything when you get to the right temperature. Just before it goes cherry red, and then straighten the oil. You can hear it bubbling away there, it's moving around a bit. Best doing this in a ventilated area. There you go, you can see it's got that nice black coating on it. It's nice and even. I'll wipe it off with a rag. I'll just watch it, it still might be hot. There you go. And then we'll do the rest of the parts. Okay, so now the parts are done. As you can see, they come out really good. Nice black coating to them. I'm all clean now. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. Okay, so as you can see, the brass butt plate's still got all the dents and marks in it. There'd be a lot of work to, and a lot of material would have to be moved to make that shiny as, but I actually really like it the way it is. So I don't want to take away from the old world character. The spring's back in place after being treated. People will probably ask, you know, after heating it like that, whether it's lost its spring or not. And yeah, no, it wasn't heated up anywhere near enough to affect the spring. And it works quite well. And I think the black screws will look quite good against the brass. Alright, leave a comment and a like and tell me what you think. And if you want to see how this goes, hit subscribe.